Hello. Over the last 12 months I've been assisting in the design and construction of stormwater treatment systems for a whole new suburb called Shell Cove in the coastal area of Shell Harbour. During this period I've been asked the same question several times from clients, engineers and contractors. This video is to answer this two-part question. What is indirect screening and why is the OceanSave GPT different to other GPTs? Now, the OceanSave GPT has been based on indirect screening technology. The way it works is that the incoming flow of water is directed across the face of a special cylindrical screen at a controlled velocity, as shown here. This action keeps litter and other pollutants in motion and stops the pollutants from blocking the screening area. The non-blocking or indirect screening method means that the whole screen area is being used for the full duration of the storm event and is therefore always treating the full design flow. The special screen is also directional, which further aids in keeping very fine particles from escaping the screening zone and providing a high removal efficiency even for the smallest particle. The flow direction can be clockwise or can be anti-clockwise to suit your site requirements. The screen panels have been designed to be universal, be used in both directions, just by flipping them over. Now, indirect screening is not new. It has in fact been used for decades around the world. There are thousands upon thousands of installations of such GPTs protecting our environment today. The second part of the question was why the OceanSave is different to other GPTs. Now, the OceanSave has been designed with greater flexibility in mind, and it's available in both an online and an offline configuration across the entire range. This also allows for a wide range of inlet pipe sizes and angles, so that the standard product can be used for many different applications, many different ways and in different locations. An example of this is for flow splitting for water harvesting or flow diversion, which is easily achieved with the off-the-shelf OceanSave design. Now, that covers some of the physical differences, but the biggest difference by far is that the OceanSave uses proven indirect screening technology rather than direct screening that is used by some other GPTs. So what is direct screening? Right? Direct screening is when the water is forced to go directly through the screen. Right? There are many GPTs that are used and still used today that are using direct screening in one way or another. Some are online using the horizontal or vertical bars that you saw there earlier, and others are in boxes or in manholes with screens that are installed above or below the water level. The biggest issue with direct screens is the fact that stormwater contains litter and various other pollutants. Now, these pollutants that are not able to pass through the screen are held up against the screen. This reduces the available screen area and therefore reduces the treatment flow rate. The rapid drop in the flow rate can lead to significant flow bypass, and then results in reduced pollution capture and poor performance. Now, direct screen GPTs are therefore often sized with more screen area and for a much larger design flow rate to compensate for this blocking of the screen. When you're selecting a GPT, you should consider the type of screening technology that you particularly want. And then once you have that, you can correctly size the GPT for your location and your catchment. If anyone has any other questions that they would like us to answer, I'll be happy to hear from you.